Good morning. So, what I want to do today is a little breath root work. And there's three techniques that I want to cover. And we're going to do each one for about 2 minutes. And, there'll be a little break in between. So, we're looking at like maybe 9 to 10 minutes of this little session here. Um, So this does have a bit of a like an arc to it. We start out with one that's a little bit more gentle, and then we build up a little bit, and then come into something that's very um, integrating. None of it's overly hard. What I would say is to pay attention to your energy and your capacity. Stop, don't do it, whatever it is that feels right. Um, but these are individually, they're great ways of changing the inner state, like bringing yourself, back into your body is one way of looking at it, but also regulating, so uplift and calm both. And then together they just create this really beautiful space inside. And there's all kinds of physiological changes that are happening when you breathe this way. So we've already are familiar with good diaphragmatic breath if you've done the coherent breathing in the classroom, or if you just have been paying attention to anything I've been posting. And a lot of you are also very skilled already. So this first breath is just um, uh, we're just moving energy, right? So it's going to be we're going to breathe in and blow out hard. You can keep your eyes open or close your eyes. Breathing in good, what you need, exhaling everything you don't need. We're not rushing. Inhaling through the nose, exhaling through the mouth. We're almost there. And one more. Just coming with your palms on your knees, palms up if you want, thumbs and forefingers connecting. Just feel that energy running through your body, that shift. change the body chemistry. So this next one, we're going to inhale and bring the hands up, and then exhale and come down and strike the ribs. It's not hard right now. We're going to just do it nice and gentle at first, and then we'll speed it up in a minute. So it's inhale, exhale. This is really an uplifting breath. When you feel dull, unmotivated, stuck, this is a great technique. Sometimes I focus on the end of my nose or a place out in front a little bit, relaxed vision. So now we're going to speed it up. Just 30 more seconds. Keep going. And exhale. And hold your breath at the end of the exhale. And breathe. Again, just relaxing, paying attention to that state shift. What's new happening in your body, the vibration, the tingling. Maybe a better sense of joy and connection. So this next breath, we are going to close our eyes, and you're going to focus on your third eye, or this little pineal gland, this space right behind your eye, up above your eyeballs and right behind your eyeballs. You're going to bring your focus there, and we're going to do 7 inhales to create 1 inhale. And it's going to be in 7 parts. Just watch how I do it real quick. And then exhale. I would exhale through the nose. So we're going to start. Ready? Exhaling completely. Keep your body relaxed. Your tongue on the roof of your mouth, right behind your teeth. And exhale completely. Exhale all the way. And then hold your breath at the end of the exhale. And breathing. Again, just paying attention to the inner state, any changes. You feel warmer, lighter, heavier, buzzing awareness. Mm. Okay. Thank you all for joining me on that little journey. We got a new person in today, Danner, well, joining us all the way from Iraq. Good to see you, my friend. If anybody has anything to say, report, how was that for you? Okay, that's wonderful.
Yeah. Hello.
Oh, hello. Hello.
I joined a little bit late for
Mhm.
the second half hour, but I was still able to do a pretty good meditation session and then breathing. Um, Let me open the camera as well.
Sure.
All right. Yep. Oh, my friend.
Good
What?
morning. Well, good afternoon for you, I think, right?
Yeah, I just ate lunch and I was like, okay, I have the call. Let me go. It was a pretty good session.
Awesome.
Breathing also were better practices. So thank you.
You bet. You bet. Thanks for joining us. It's really good to see you. All right, folks. If that's it, I will sign off, and we'll see you tomorrow. And the sessions are only 40 minutes right now. Monday they move up to 45 minutes, and then we do something like this afterwards. So glad you got in. You probably didn't really miss as much as you thought. All right. Have a great day.